Hi guys, Josh here. Today I'm going to be talking about the question of what you can do if you're not motivated to revise. I know you might be going through A levels right now, you might have some exams coming up and you might be looking at yourself and be like, I don't want to do exercises, I don't want to do past paper questions, I don't want to do my revision, and I completely feel you. What can you do if you do not have motivation? I'm making this video because I just came back from the gym and I think there actually are quite a lot of similarities between these two problems. I've been going to the gym each day, almost each day, depending on my schedule, for the last 2 years. And there's days I wake up, look outside, it's currently raining outside, I'm not sure if you could see it, but it's currently raining outside. I'll look out the window in the morning at 6 or at 7, I'll be like, I really don't want to go to gym today. But then I think about it, I'm like, hold up a second, I might not be motivated, but for my own benefit, for my mental health, for my sanity, for what the goals I want to achieve at, I have to go to the gym. And so I put on my clothes, whether I like it or not, go to the gym, hit the workout, do the exercises, and then head home and then shower and get on with my day. I would argue that motivation for studies is very much the same thing. There are going to be times where you have motivation, there's going to be times where you don't have motivation. And that's when you need to understand that motivation isn't going to be the thing which gets you to the end of the race. A good example of this would be a book called Atomic Habits, which I'll highly recommend to you to read. And if you want me to do a summary of that book, let me know in the comments below. But what I'm trying to say with this example, Atomic Habits, is that he says everyone who starts running a race all have the same goal. Everyone who's taking your exams want to do well in those exams. It's not the motivation and the drive that people have which will differentiate those who do well and work hard and those who are not motivated and don't work hard at the end when things get tough. It's the systems that you put in place. It's the discipline that you put in place to say, I do certain actions throughout my life, regardless of whether I like to or not, whether I'm motivated or not, to get things done. And I think that's a secret to studying or keep doing things when you don't like what you need to do. It is to have that discipline to say, regardless of what I'm doing, I'm going to set up some systems which I'll follow no matter what. Rain, hail, or shine, I'm going to follow these systems. For me, those systems are I sleep 8 hours a day. I make sure I get those 8 hours of sleep. I work really, really hard as much as I can to get my stuff done. And I go to the gym every morning, and that starts my day off in a good way. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope it helps. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below and what you want to see next. I'll see you soon. Stay disciplined, my friends.